You've seen these photos everywhere. I'll explain how to do it for free and which AI tool is the best to put you at the World Cup final. Because nothing makes me more mad than looking for an app to do something, finding something I like, and getting hit with a paywall. And to top it off, even if I do pay, it isn't even what I wanted. If you're like me and you're on a budget, just follow this video and learn how to do it for free, and even customize it for future events like the upcoming World Cup. I'll leave timestamps here so you can skip ahead if you want. I'll go over how to do it step by step, how I compared each tool, and finally, share the links to where you can find the sample prompts. Nowadays, people just rely on tools to do everything for them, but learning how to do these things yourself is more cost effective and you're more likely to get what you want. If you have a composition in mind, don't let AI compose and think for you. Give the tools what you need for what you want. So if you want to make a realistic World Cup final photo, let's start with the venue. The game will be played at MetLife Stadium, so we need photos of this venue. The Brazil versus Norway match on July 5 was actually played at the same venue. So I scanned the highlights of that game and found a scene that I liked. We'll use this as the main photo. The teams playing will be Spain and Argentina. According to this article, both Spain and Argentina will wear their home kits. So let's get the right photos of their jerseys from here and here. Let's also grab their star players, Yamal from Spain and Messi for Argentina. To make it even more realistic, let's get your local broadcasting station. I searched for game recaps from the broadcasting stations and looked for photos with clean scores and logos. And of course, we need a photo of you. Now that we have all of our references, let's start constructing the prompt. These are the main things you need to do in your prompt. After the photo is generated, wait until the end of the game so you can update the final score before posting with the caption. Now that you have your references and prompt, where do you put them? According to arena.ai, these are the top listed image models. This isn't sponsored, but I wish, so help me get more than 10 subs and maybe one day. Arena.ai is where Polymarket gets their data, so that's why I like to use it. Here are the images from ChatGPT and Meta, and from Gemini and Reve. My personal preference is ChatGPT, and by a big margin. That's where you should put your image prompts when using free tiers. As someone who's been a professional prompter for the past 3 years, my ranking will probably differ from yours. Tell me in the comments. I wanted to get this video out before the World Cup final, so I'll make a deeper comparison video next week. Subscribe for that. But here's a basic rubric of how I compared the 4 models. And finally, here are the links where you can find the step-by-step guide with prompts. If you enjoyed this quick video before the match tomorrow, I'd appreciate a like and comment, and if you want to see more AI tool comparisons and breakdowns in more detail, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.